Hey guys, how's it going? It's Ben here from Talk Speak English. Now I know everyone has that person that they find annoying, or perhaps someone that is complaining all the time or is always negative. Well, in this video we're going to look at some idioms that you can use to describe people with negative personality traits. Without further ado, let's get to it. Now, first up, we have the idiom, a pain in the neck. Now, a pain in the neck is like it sounds. If we describe someone as a pain in the neck, it means that they are annoying or irritating. For example, John was such a pain in the neck today. He wouldn't stop talking about his work, and I was really annoyed with him. Now, next up, we have the idiom, a wet blanket. Now, if you describe someone as a wet blanket, this means that it's a person who ruins other people's fun by constantly staying pessimistic or negative and complaining all the time. Hey, how are you? Did you have a good time at the dinner? Well, it wasn't so straightforward. Actually, it was a disaster. She complained the whole time and she was so negative. She was a bit of a wet blanket. You're a cold fish. He's a cold fish. She's a cold fish. Cold fish? What does that mean? Well, like the image that we can get from seeing a cold fish, we know that it's going to be something negative and something bad. A cold fish is someone who shows very little emotion and doesn't really ever show their true feelings. For example, Jane dumped him when she realised that he was a cold fish and he didn't love her. Next up we have Moaning Minnie. Now with this one I always think of Moaning Myrtle from Harry Potter, and actually this summarises it perfectly.
I wouldn't expect you to know me. Who would ever talk about ugly, miserable, moping, moaning Myrtle?
Like Moaning Myrtle, a Moaning Minnie is someone who complains all the time, usually about silly things or things that we would say are insignificant. For example, Josh is such a Moaning Minnie. He was complaining the whole time about not being able to get his favourite sweets at the cinema. Now the next one can be good or bad depending on the context and the tone of your voice. A chatterbox is someone who talks a lot. I'm sure we all know someone who is a chatterbox. For example, you might say, my friend is always getting told off by the teacher for talking in class. He's such a chatterbox. Moving on, we have a crank. Now, a crank is someone whose behaviour or way of life is regarded as strange. We can also say oddball or weirdo as well. For example, I think my neighbour is really strange. I'm sure he watches me at night. He's a bit of a crank. If it continues, I'm going to go round there and talk to him. Now I'm sure everyone can relate to this next one. A slave driver. Now a slave driver is someone who makes other people work really hard. Often we use it to talk about managers or bosses at work. For example, my boss is such a slave driver. He made me stay for an extra 2 hours the whole week to finish the project I was working on. And lastly, we have big mouth. Now, what do you think this one could mean? That's right, a big mouth is someone who is not able to keep a secret. For example, I can't believe Jenny is such a big mouth. I told her about the party and told her to keep it top secret. Then what happened? The next day, everyone knew about it and was texting me asking me if they could come. If you would like to practice your writing, why not practice down in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to help. Please let me know if you have any suggestions for future videos, and once again, thank you so much for watching, thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.